Hello T-Pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvin, and in this video we're going to test some comfortable and affordable earbuds. So as you can see, this is the box and the model is CandyPods True Wireless Earbuds. And the brand is GIEC. So as you can see, this is the box. It looks nice in my opinion, very simple. And this is how it looks on the back. Now we're going to proceed to open the box and see what it contains. So opening the box is pretty simple. You only pull it up like that. And now we can see the manual, I would think, over here. I'm going to put it aside for a few seconds. This is the device itself. And under everything, it's the charger. So now we're going to put all the boxes aside. And now we have these three devices. So this is the charger. This is how long it is. And it is USB-C, so I like that a lot. So now we're going to see the device itself. It has a wrap around, so you can remove it very easily, as I'm going to do it right now, like that. Next, we're going to check the manual. I'm going to remove it from the envelope, and now I'm going to unfold it. Now I'm going to turn it over, and we're going to see the instruction. I'm going to point out the most important ones so you can see its capabilities. For example, the playback time can be a movie as well, or in my case, most of the time I like to listen to audiobooks. It's around 4 hours at 50% of the volume. I like that they provide this information because sometimes you have playback time and it's, I don't know, 3 hours, 5 hours, but at what percent? 100%, 25%. So I like this information. And it's 24 hours with the case. So that's an entire day. Talk time, if you are making calls or something like that, it's 3.25 hours, so that's okay. The range is 10 meters or 33 feet, so the distance between the headphones or the earbuds to your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop. The Bluetooth is 5.0. The weight is 50 grams, which I tested and it's actually 48, so that's even better. It's IP55, which means it has protection against dust and sweat, meaning don't go swimming with these earbuds or don't run under the rain, so because it might not work. So it has a microphone and it has two buttons, which I'm going to show you in a few more seconds. So those are the basic capabilities of this device. Now we're going to put the manual aside and now we're going to check the actual device. So as you can see, this is the size. It fits almost in my hand, so for sure it's going to fit in your pocket or in your purse. Now I like the finish. It's not plastic, it feels like glass, so that's interesting. This is the USB-C for the charger. Now we're going to open it. So this is how it looks. Now as soon as you open it, if it has battery, of course, it's going to start finding something to pair to. So now, the first time maybe it's going to be kind of difficult to remove it. It took me a few seconds because it's very tight, but once you find the right angle, you can remove it with no problems. Now we close the case and this is how they look. So they are small and they are of course very light. So as you can see, it's blinking. So that means it's in pairing mode. It's looking for something to pair to your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, or any other device Bluetooth capable. Now I'm going to pair it with my cell phone. As you can see, I have an iPhone, you can have an Android, the process is the same. You go to the Bluetooth, you enable it, and right away you're going to see the CandyPods. So you select it, and after a few seconds they are going to be paired, just like that. Now since they are paired, the light is not blinking anymore. Now I'm going to show you just a little how they look again, so you can see it from the back, you can see it from the front, and all that. So like I mentioned, each earbud has one button, so two in total. So the button is the area around the light itself. So you just have to tap it gently to stop the video or the song or the chapter. Now I'm going to play one of my videos from my channel so you can listen how it sounds. Right? So you might want to turn up your volume because since these are wireless earbuds, they are supposed to be in your ears. So the sound might not be as loud. Okay, so I recommend you to turn up the volume. So I'm going to start playing the video so you can check how it works. As you have seen, you have to tap once to resume or stop the song. Now, if you press it like 2 seconds on any earbuds, it's going to activate the voice assistant. As you can see, in my case, it's Siri, but if you have Google, it's going to be Google Assistant, correct? So now we're going to continue playing the video. Now, there are a few more features using the buttons. So for example, if you want to go to the next track, to the next chapter, to the next video, you have to double tap it really quick. So it's going to do exactly that on any of the earbuds. If you want to go back to the previous song, video, or chapter, you have to tap it 3 times. And now if you're a gamer and you want to change it to gaming mode, you have to tap it 4 times, and 4 times to come back to the regular mode, okay? So now I'm going to disconnect it from this cell phone, and I'm going to connect it to my computer where I'm recording this video. So we're going to listen to two more songs. Something that I like about these earbuds is that once you place them back in the case, they are going to be shut down. You open the case and they are going to start looking for something to pair to. And also you can choose to use only one. The right one, the left one, doesn't make a difference. So you just take out the one you need and you leave the other in the case. It's that simple. So now, as I mentioned, I'm going to connect it to my computer so we can start listening to two more songs. So allow me a few seconds to do just that. Now I pause the song. Now I'm going to use the other earbud to resume it. So that's how it sounds. Now let's go to the second track. So that's how it sounds with 2 songs and 1 video. Now let's see how it looks when you put them on. In this part, my wife is helping me. As you can notice, she is wearing the CandyPods. So now I'm going to go around her so you can see how they look. But before, she's going to start jumping so you can see that if you're exercising, the CandyPods are not going to fall off your ears, as you can see over there. Next, let's keep on exercising. So she's going to be now on the treadmill, and this can be you doing your daily chores, your daily exercises, your daily routine. It doesn't make a difference. So what I'm trying to say is the CandyPods are for daily use, as you can see over here. I'm going to do one final test, which is recording my voice using the microphone on the CandyPods. Hello to pros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is a test using the microphone of the CandyPods through wireless earbuds. So those were all the tests I was able to do on the CandyPods through wireless earbuds. So in my opinion, they are great. I mean, for everyday use and for the price, they are awesome. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link in the description below for them. And they also come in 4 different colors, so that's pretty nice. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, as you know, I'll see you in the next video.